I would not say everything's changed. It's too lazy to exaggerate. Maybe it's transition which hurts you more. Than the cleanest of all breaks. And I did not think you'd hear me say I did not know it at the time, etc.